So in this video, I'll show you how to enable USB in VirtualBox. So if you are using Windows or Ubuntu, this method will work for you. First of all, after you open up your VirtualBox like this, now I'm using Windows, go ahead now and close the VirtualBox. Close the windows that you open, turn it off. So after you turn it off, go to settings. After you go to settings, go to USB. So from this option now, make sure you connect the USB. Make sure you connect the USB drive that you want to enable. So after you connect the USB drive, make sure you turn off this enable USB controller and then select this last one, USB 3.0. So then tap on this plus button, and from this option you'll be able now to see the USB that you connect. For me, here is the USB. After you select it, it will be added in this option, and tap on this OK button. After you tap on this OK button, now go ahead and power on your virtual machine. So after you power up your Windows, now go ahead now and open this PC. So after you open this PC like this, if you scroll to down here, you'll be able to see your USB drive that you connected. For me, here is it now. Here is the USB that I connected. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.